A very good morning to all. So in last lecture we discussed about Google Scholar and how we can sign up on Google Scholar. Now in this particular session we will explore Google Scholar further. So first of all, this is the interface of Google Scholar, and I have explained about this my profile which we have created in the last session. So it is just a demo account. So now another thing I want to add in Google Scholar is that, see, if you are not able to find your paper or your article in the list of Google Scholar, then what you have to do, you can add that particular paper manually. And for that, what you have, the option is here. You have to click this plus, just add article manually. Now what type of article it is, like it is published in journal or conference paper or a book chapter or thesis and many more. And after selecting the desired thing like journal, conference, you have to mention these things: these title, what are the authors, publication date of that paper, journal, volume, issue, pages, publisher. So you have to mention these options, and after that just click on this. This will add a paper in this particular Google Scholar profile. So let me show you. Just I am adding a name, that is text mining. Author is like Shikha. Publication date suppose 21. Journal suppose IJSR. So let me just click this. So now you can see the text mining paper with the details which I have mentioned are coming here. So this is the way by which you can add your paper manually to your Scholar profile. So now next what we have, now click on it. Let me show you what this library does. So just click on my library. So this is the page where you can store interesting papers, or you can say which papers you want to use in future, or some like use for some reference purpose. Then you can add that papers in this library part. And for saving an article in Google Scholar, you just have to click this star, and that paper will be added to your library. One more thing about it, that these articles can also be arranged according to the date of publishing. So if you have added papers in library and you want to see that the latest papers first, then just click on since 2021, or anytime will show any papers, like anytime they published. So all papers will be shown in this category. So now let me show you how to add papers in Google Scholar. Just click on this icon of Google Scholar. Now search for a topic, like I'm searching about text mining. Now you will get a collection of papers of text mining. So suppose you want to see the latest ones, just click on since 2021, and here are the papers. Now which paper you want to add in your library, just click on this star. Simply click on this star. It will simply add this paper to your library. Again, another thing is there, that we can make a label as, like if you want to add papers to a library with suppose these are the text mining papers. So I have already added a label, that is text mining. And suppose if you want to add another category, like suppose data mining, so you can add in that way. So it is just like like a playlist which you used at the time of songs. So suppose another paper I want this. Again it will ask that which category you want to add this paper. Suppose I am adding this paper in text mining, and again I want to add this paper. Again it will ask you to mention a label. So by this way you can add papers to your library. So let me show you my library. So now you can see that I have added these 4 papers in my library. That's why it is showing in the my library part. Okay. So now if you want to cite these papers, so for that what you have to do, just go there, click on settings, and for using this option of citation, what you have to do, there's an option under the bibliography manager that show links to import citation into BibTeX. Just click on it and save it. Okay. So now next time when you are searching an article, like here are the articles of my library, you will get a link that is this import into BibTeX. So if you click on it, just click on it, so you will see text that is you can here it is the all information about your article, like the title, author, journal, volume, number of pages, year and publisher. So you can copy and paste. By this way you can easily cite this article. Okay, so these are the library papers. Let me show you the journal papers which I have not added. So just searching for another topic, that is artificial intelligence. Now you can see here, after changing the settings of import into BibTeX, you are getting an option here. Otherwise before this you are not getting this option under this part. Okay, so these are the options. Now alerts. See, if you want to create alerts, for that let me show you one thing. Just go to profiles, and suppose you want to search for a particular person, like I'm going to search about Albert Einstein. So now it is showing the matching profiles. Here are 2 profiles of Albert Einstein. One is this one and one is this one. And suppose you want to watch this or see this profile. So by just clicking on that, you can see the profile of Albert Einstein. So these are the papers which are of Albert Einstein. And suppose you want to follow this person, just click on this follow link, and what type of alerts you want from this author, that new articles by this author, new citations to this author, or new articles related to the author research. So it totally depends that what options you want to select. After selecting options, here you have to mention the email address, and after clicking the done option, the alerts will start. Okay, so this is all about Google Scholar. Thank you.